Hello, I have with me Mrs. Shreya Pal Sharma. She is our associate franchisee partner from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Welcome here, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
She is now in Dehradun summer vacations and ये यहाँ पर अपने जो the place where she has been born and brought up, Wellams में पढ़ाई करी है इन्होंने. So she has come here to be in a good weather city. So, ma'am, how are you feeling this time in Dehradun?
It's lovely. It's of course any day better than other parts of the country. Although this year we have experienced a lot of heat in Dehradun also, but it's still much better than other parts of the city,
Good.
other parts of the country.
Good. So, how उनकी जो mother है, she has been a principal in Summer Valley and she is a renowned educationist. So now they have started the Polykids preschool and they have been running for last almost 5 years there. So how do you feel, ma'am? कैसा आपको what is the feeling when you are running a preschool chain from Dehradun there?
It really is different because first of all we're taking the entire syllabus and the education from Dehradun to another part of the country. And Dehradun is known for its education. It's one of the best syllabus that we have seen, not only in Dehradun, in Raipur also. And the best part about running school from Dehradun in Raipur is that being a franchise, it's a very smooth system of running a school. There's a lot of help from everybody here at the head office. There is a lot of support. We don't feel lost. We have help at any time of the day, any time of the year. We can connect with anybody here and ask for help. And the quality of education, quality of activities that are designed, quality of creatives that are being done in Dehradun over here, we try and adopt the same thing in Raipur, and it's really a very new kind of thing for that city. No other school in the city is doing these kind of activities, so it's something new that we're bringing to the city, and I'm very glad that we're able to take that from here and implement it over there. So it's something new that we're trying to do, and we're really hoping that we'll pick up and it will do much better in the city of Raipur.
Okay, you are born and brought up in Dehradun, सारी education यहाँ पर हुई, and now in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And how do, when we compare the education and the upbringing, कुछ आपको challenges आते हैं वहाँ पर या कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि probably that you feel like this is something very challengeable thing we have to handle?
Actually, it is because Dehradun में क्या होता है, because there's so many schools and the schooling pattern is such that it's seeped into the culture of the city also. Everybody in the city is civilized, educated. You will not see people behaving, in a rowdy fashion or in a rude way. Everybody is amicable. They're civilized. What happens is, if a city does not have a good schooling system, that does not reflect in their culture. Like a small example, like value of time. Dehradun, everybody has the value of time. If they give a time, they are there on that time. As opposed to in Raipur, if they give a time, they are definitely late. Nobody's ever on time. So it's not that they can't be on time, they can be on time, but culturally it's something that is not that important.
Okay.
And these values are imbibed in our system because of the schooling that we have in the city.
Did you have any language problem as such कि हिंदी वो लोग नहीं समझ पाते हैं, anything like that?
Yes, definitely. The standard of English that we speak in Dehradun is way higher than the standard of English we normally come across in Raipur. वहाँ की first language is Hindi because everything is executed in Hindi itself. सारे documents, सारे orders, सब कुछ, and लोग भाषा भी लोगों की हिंदी है. But because Chhattisgarhia is a local language, their Hindi is also not Shuddha. Their Hindi is it's a dialect basically. It's derived from Chhattisgarhia. So Hindi is also not pure Hindi.
Okay.
It's got that dialect of Chhattisgarhi in it. So वो एक problem है, and because it's Polykids is an English medium school. We're teaching in English. We make it a point to impart education in proper English, proper language. The child should be able to study and speak the language. So I think that is a very big point or USP of the school that it's helping us in Raipur. That is something very, very important. Although we take it for granted in Dehradun, but it's a very, very big and important factor in other parts of the country.
The first school you built up there was from scratch, बिल्कुल उसको newly school design करके आपने construction कराया. Now it's another big building, almost like 22,000 square feet, which you are planning there. और उसके लिए land भी लिया आपने. So how do you find the scope of education की वहाँ पे people do look forward कि अगर अच्छे schools आ रहे हैं तो we want to give our children good education या कैसा है? How do you find it?
Yes, we have a niche set of parents who are very particular about what they want their child to be like, and because a lot of them have not seen that in any school yet, schools have not offered to them these kind of facilities and this kind of education pattern. They're very happy with the way the child is being groomed, because it's not just education, it's also the overall grooming of the child. Where the child is developing confidence in public speaking, the child is being able to converse in English, the child has developed manners and etiquettes, wishing their parents, wishing strangers, greeting people, how do you behave publicly, how do you walk when you are entering a certain space. Children are learning all those things. So what we felt was initially parents are a little hesitant because it's a new school, it's from Dehradun, they did not know what we had to offer. Now that it's been a couple of years, parents have also seen the difference in their child, and through word of mouth a lot of our publicity is happening, and a lot of parents feel that this is something very good for their child and they would like to come to us and admit their child with us, and so that the child can learn all these things from us.
You told me कि जो even class 12 के schools हैं, they consider you as a big competitor to them. So how do you have a feeling कि भाई अब तो
it feels very nice when we get to know that we are we are a threat to them, because we are a very small school, but it feels very nice because it just proves how hard we've been working, and the result must be visible.
They admire the quality of education what you are giving. कि भाई ऐसी क्या बात है जो वहाँ पर है.
That is what. So we feel it's a matter of pride for us that we are as a competition for our neighboring schools. So it's good. It means that we are working very hard with our schooling system and children.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, and best wishes for your new building and new bigger project which is coming up. Thank you everyone for your time.
Thank you. Thanks.